put down that $50 bottle of body lotion. Your dry, itchy skin after a shower is caused by pure physics. In Chinese bathing wisdom, biomimetic lukewarm water is the true answer. But wait, before you adjust the dial, 90% of people have no idea what temperature actually protects the skin. I will walk you through this ancestral shower protocol at the end of the video. First, we need to understand the underlying physical logic. If you are constantly wondering, why is my skin so dry and itchy after a hot shower? Or why do my legs itch like crazy after a post-workout shower? This is where the truth begins. I see so many people stepping under a steaming hot shower after a long day or a heavy workout to relax tight muscles. It's not your fault. The modern wellness matrix packaged the steaming hot shower as the ultimate relaxation ritual. You think you are relaxing, but you probably don't realize that every time you enjoy that intense heat, you are accidentally melting off your body's natural, invisible waterproof armor. Let's look at a very simple rule of physical thermodynamics. Imagine a frying pan covered in steak grease. Cold water won't remove it, but blasting it with scalding hot water instantly melts the grease right down the drain. This is exactly what you are doing to your own skin. The surface of your body naturally secretes a healthy barrier made of lipids, a layer of liquid gold designed to lock in deep moisture. The laws of physics dictate that when you stand under a steaming hot shower, the water temperature far exceeds the melting point of your natural sebum. You are literally stripping yourself bare, just like scrubbing that dirty pan. Once this waterproof armor is washed down the drain, the dry air in your room acts like a giant moisture vacuum, violently sucking the hydration right out of your exposed pores. This is the cold physical reason behind your severe dryness and flaking skin. You destroyed your own perfect moisture-locking system. Remember the ancestral shower protocol I promised you at the beginning? The method is incredibly simple, and you can try it during your very next shower. Let's activate your $0 physical hack, the Lukewarm Armor Hack. You don't need to go to the other extreme and endure a miserable cold plunge. You just need to dial the temperature down to a mild lukewarm state. Here is the exact protocol. Test the water on the inside of your wrist. If it feels hot, you are melting your armor. If it feels like almost nothing, that perfectly matches your natural body heat. This specific physical temperature is incredibly smart. It is just warm enough to perfectly dissolve your daily sweat and dirt, yet entirely safe to stay below the melting point of your natural lipid shield. When you step out of the shower with this natural waterproof armor completely intact, you will notice that the tight, pulling sensation and the endless itching vanish instantly. Your skin already possesses the perfect ability to protect itself. The physical truth is right here. You can keep believing the steaming hot shower myth, repeatedly paying for expensive body lotions, and staying trapped in an endless cycle of dry, itchy skin. Or, starting tonight, without spending a single dime, you can simply dial the water temperature down a few degrees and hand control back to your biology's natural restorative power. Before you go, check the description below. You will notice there are no affiliate links, no $50 Ceramide body lotions, and no sponsors. I have absolutely nothing to sell you. The modern wellness matrix wants you to destroy your natural barrier with boiling water, just so they can sell you the cure. But true health is never bought, it is practiced. Your biology only needs physics. Stop paying for it. Take back control. Your invisible armor, your choice. This is the Nobel Body, and I'll see you next time.